Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane system is given which has bridged carbon with 2 methyl group, and you have second position methyl and first position carbonyl group. You have to find number of stereoisomers in it, finding the chiral carbon and finding the stereoisomers. Here answer will be easy if you draw in the Norbornyl kind of architecture, showing the bridges very clearly. If you look at it, it has two chiral carbon. The starred carbon there A and B. So two chiral center we expect 4 isomers. Answer will be tricky because this carbon cannot have isomer because ring is rigid, it will not flip at all. Normally you exchange the atom, create the isomer. Here exchanging is not at all possible. Ring is very rigid and atom positions are specified. So the compound has only 2 isomers. Here the concept you have to learn here is these structures don't have many enantiomer and you should not apply the concept blindly. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.